Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode 144. And yeah, I'm breathing a little heavier today. I rode my 6 miles and then I added a few more exercises on the end of it. I'm in way better shape than I was a year and a half when I took on exercising every morning, but I am not where I want to be or where I feel like I should be. I don't feel physically fit, so I'm gonna work really hard this summer, this next winter to do that. It's hard to do on the road, so I need to find exercises that I can do in my hotel room or in my bedroom besides that exercise, guys, that I can do, won't make a whole lot of noise, right? Like if I'm in a hotel and I'm on the 3rd floor and I'm jumping up and down, that's going to make a lot of noise for the people below me, and I'll try to avoid that. What are you guys' favorite exercises that don't include a gym, don't include weights, that you can just do without any additional equipment? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, I would like to lose about another 25 pounds and I would be happy. So that is my goal by December, the end of this year, to lose that 25 pounds, which is going to be tough being on the road. So I'm just going to have to be extra vigilant in watching what I eat, saying no to ice cream and stuff like that, and getting as much exercise in as possible. But I've said it here, which makes me accountable, because I hate to say something and not do it, or not accomplish something that I write down or say out loud. So I said it out loud. That's going to push me even harder. But first thing I'm going to do, get some coffee. We'll see you guys in a few. All right, it's line dancing night. Got old Brett out. Mama Badger's riding her bike tonight. Anybody want to guess what day it is? Oh look, there's old Red. Haha. All out for a ride. Everybody's all ready to get their dance on. People are lined up for line dancing. That is it. That is a wrap for me and line dancing night. Headed home. Take care of this video. Maybe play some video games tomorrow morning. Alright, today's video, fuck it, we'll just finish it here on the bike. So, you guys know that we deal with a lot of motorcycle accidents. And you guys have heard me say this before, and I know I'm probably preaching to the choir here, but guys, when you buy motorcycle insurance, buy motorcycle insurance for you. Do not buy that for, well, in case I run into somebody, I want to have coverage. You do want to have coverage for that. But what you really want to have coverage for is yourself. Because there are a lot of people out there that are unlicensed, unregistered, and have no insurance. And a lot of the accidents are even hit and run. Plus, what if you're out on some country back road and a deer jumps out in front of you? Or a dog? Or you hit gravel, or God forbid, the grass that's on the road. Whatever it may be, right? You have to cover you, because when you go down in a motorcycle, you are going to be hurt. Pretty much a guarantee. To what severity? Who knows? But you're going to get hurt. If you tangle with another car, you are going to get hurt. Their car might get a fucking dent in it. You are going to get a dent in your body. And if they don't have the insurance, or if they just have the state minimum insurance, which I think some states is like $10,000. $10,000 won't even get you a ride to the fucking hospital. So you've used up all their insurance. They don't have a pot to piss in or a window to throw it out of, and you're screwed. You don't have insurance that covers you. So literally, you, your family, I mean, we get messages all the time from people that are like, I'm going to lose everything. Everything that I've ever worked for. My house, I've already lost my car, my bikes. I mean, you just name it. They're losing it all. And they're losing it all because they didn't have enough insurance to cover themselves, or they didn't have enough money in reserve. And unless you're just, uber rich, who has enough money in reserve to pay $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 worth of medical bills? $1 million even. You got that kind of money laying around? Yeah, me neither. So, insurance sucks. I hate insurance. It has got to be one of the biggest rackets in the world until you need it. And then when you need it, you need it. So we pay out and we pay out and we pay out and we pay out. I pay $600 a month to cover all of my, 2 daughters' cars, our 2 cars, 5 bikes. That's a lot of money a month. But none of that even remotely compares to what happens if I get into a motorcycle accident, right? So I need to be able to cover all of that. I need my family to be able to take whatever money we do have and live on it, right? And that's the other thing. A lot of times the person that gets in the accident, they're the breadwinner. So they're the ones that bring the money in. So now not only do they not have enough money to cover the doctor bills, they don't have any money coming in to cover just their regular bills. So now all of a sudden they're losing everything. And they're, unfortunately, support a biker, GoFundMe, same thing. Those are getting harder and harder because there's so many people out there that are in need. Then you throw in the economy sucks, so people don't have extra money to be helping you when you're in a bad situation. I know that sucks. We wish we could help everybody. Everybody wishes they could help everybody. But they do have an obligation to take care of themselves, their family, all of that. So that is not a strategy. It's a tragedy, so it's a strategy. Haha, I come up with something new. So, GoFundMe is not a strategy. There you go. It's a tragedy. Do not count on GoFundMe to take care of you, your family, make you whole. That is not a great plan. Be sure you have enough insurance. Walk into your insurance agent's office tomorrow or pick up the phone and call them and lay out some scenarios to them. If I get in a hit and run accident, am I covered? If I crash all by myself, am I covered? All that stuff. Ask them those questions. I want to be covered no matter what happens. If a meteor falls out of the sky and hits me on my bike, am I covered? Those are the questions you want to know, because you want to be covered for every single thing out there. Anywho, that's it, guys. Sorry I preached at you, but I just keep seeing this stuff, and I don't want to hear these stories from you or anybody else. It sucks bad enough that you had an accident. It sucks even more to think that you've worked your entire life to build something, and all of it is gone because somebody crashed into you and they didn't have adequate insurance. That would suck. That would just suck so bad. So I don't want this for you. I'll help you, but I don't want to hear these stories because I know that there's only so much I can do, and I'm not going to get anywhere near making you whole. Anywho, that's it, guys. That is today's video. Tomorrow we head to the river. That should be fun for a weekend of non-motorcycle stuff. So if you're coming here for motorcycle stuff over the weekend, I wouldn't count on it. But we will see you guys tomorrow.